Hey gearheads! Welcome back to the channel. Today we're talking about a must-have upgrade for any classic 67-68 Camaro project, especially if you're swapping to fuel injection. Carburetors are great, but if you're making the jump to EFI, especially on an LS-swap or a modern performance build, you need fuel delivery that's up to the task. Today we're checking out the CPP 18-gallon complete fuel injection tank kit from Classic Performance Products. Designed specifically for 1967-68 Camaros that need modern fuel system performance without the hassle of sourcing every part separately. Right out of the box, you get a full EFI-ready setup. A heavy-duty 18-gallon steel fuel tank notched for clearance in the Camaro frame, looks like an OE tank when installed, coated galvanized steel then powder-coated silver, sending unit ready for your fuel gauge hookup, fuel pump with mounting bracket built for consistent flow. Fuel pump and sender are recessed in the tank for easy installation with no modification needed to your car, fuel filter and regulator essential for clean, steady fuel pressure. 25 feet of premium EFI hose and fittings plenty for a clean install. EFI-style internal baffling with extra-large 4.8-liter dual tube, baffled fuel tray to prevent fuel pump starvation, perfect for your pro touring, autocross, or road racing ride. This kit gives you everything you need to go from a tired old tank or carb setup to a modern, high-flow EFI fuel system. This CPP kit is rated to flow up to around 255 liters per hour, enough to support roughly 200 to 600 horsepower setups. That makes it a great choice for street cars, restomods, and performance builds where you want EFI reliability without overkill complexity. Because it uses push-lock style fittings and includes everything you need, you won't be running around trying to source random parts. It's essentially a one-box fuel system solution for your EFI project. So whether you're doing an LS-swap, modernizing your classic, or building a pro touring Camaro, this tank handles the EFI upgrade cleanly and efficiently. No guesswork, just performance. Let's break it down. If you're serious about bringing EFI to your classic Camaro with a no-nonsense all-included kit, the CPP 18-gallon fuel injection tank is one of the best ways to do it. Links in the description below. That's it for this video, and remember, for parts that are built to fit, built to perform, and built to drive, make sure your ride is CPP equipped. If you're ready to upgrade your classic car or truck with performance you can trust, just click the link in the description or head over to classicperform.com and check out our full line of suspension, steering, and brake solutions. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and tap that bell so you never miss a build breakdown, install guide, or performance tip.